Good morning, ma'am. My name is Smith Kalaramna, class 11 non-medical. Today I am here to speak on the topic of impact of lockdown. As we all know that the lockdown was imposed nationwide to stop the spread of the coronavirus. But in the country of 1.3 billion people, it have remained to another pressing health issue, suffocating pollution levels. COVID-19 or coronavirus, which is spread from the China, is a disease which spread from man to man. It is so dangerous that nowadays there are more than 75 lakh cases all around the world and the 4 lakh casualties. All the countries are trying to make the vaccine for it, but there is no good news for us till now. The world's largest lockdown means all factories, markets, shops, and places of worship are now closed. Most public transport suspended and construction work halted, as India asks its citizens to stay home and practice social distancing. Due to it, air quality is improving in India as states on lockdown. Major cities witness a major dip in air level pollution from March 22 till now. The sudden fall in the pollutants and the subsequent blue sky signal a dramatic shift for India, which has 21 of the world's most populated cities, according to the World Air Quality Report. The data from the Central Pollution Control Board (CPCB), part of Indian Environmental Ministry, was collected by the Center of the Research on Energy and Clean Air. Nitrogen dioxide went from 52 per cubic meter to 15 in the same period. A long ascent, 1% of fall was there. Here you can see some pictures relating to the difference in the pollution level. The nationwide curfew in India on March 22 also resulted in the lowest one-day traffic pollution level on recorded, analysis from CREA said. Here is a great example of the decrease in the pollution level. The first photograph was taken in the November last year and the second was taken on the March 30, 2020. Here we can see clearly the difference in the pollution level due to of the lockdown. Rivers also have a great impact due to of lockdown. As we can see in the pictures, the first photograph is of the Yamuna river and the second too. But in the first we can see there is so much dust pollution and the waste which is generated from the industry. But due to of lockdown, all the industries and vehicles are closed, so there are no pollution in air as well in water, which we can see in the second picture. While comparing these two, we can see it saved a lot of amount of rupees of our Indian government, because government have made many plans for the cleaning of the Yamuna and the Ganga river, but due to of the only lockdown, the money have also been saved and the rivers have also been cleaned. As we can see, Harbhajan Terminator has commented, "Never seen the lunar range from my home rooftop in Jalandhar." As you can see in the photograph, the lunar range is visible from the Jalandhar, which is not seen in many decades. And there is another picture of the same lunar range from the Pathankot, which was posted by the Manu Mehta. By this post, it is clear that during the lockdown, it is the most pollution-free months of many years. By seeing this detail, we can make sure that we have a temporary lockdown every year from 1 to 2 weeks, so the pollution level decrease and the environmental balance can be maintained to save the earth. If it is not done, then the end of the earth will be more closer. At last, I want to say you that thank you for watching my presentation, and I hope do you understand the importance of the lockdown for environment. Thank you and have a nice day.